Let's take a look at these. First, if we test the dimensions, here we have 3 rows and 3 columns, and here we have 4 rows and 1 column. Are these inner dimensions the same? No, so this one is not possible. Okay, so you don't even need to go any further. That is your solution. Okay, for the next one, we have 3 rows and 2 columns, and here we have 2 rows and 3 columns. Our inner dimensions are the same, so yes, we can. And the dimensions of our product is going to be these outer dimensions 3 by 3. Okay, and we see that's already set up in this way to collect the answers. Okay, so because we haven't talked about the steps that you would need to do manually to calculate this product, what we're going to do is we're going to enter these matrices on our calculator. So I'm going to hit second, then comma to access my matrix, my bracket. Type my first row, 6, 8, semicolon jumps to the next row, 0, 8, semicolon. My last row, -8, -7. Close off that first matrix. Okay, again, notice that when you're using this method, okay, the only time you use the brackets is to open and close the matrix. And now I'm going to multiply that by B. So I type in my next matrix, open it up, type that in, so 6, comma, -5, comma 5, semicolon jumps to the next row, 0, comma 3, comma -6, close off my matrix. And now when I hit enter, I should get my answer as a 3 by 3 matrix. I do, and it confirms 36, -6, -18. My second row is 0, 24, 48, or -48. And then my final row is -48, 19, 2. And so that would be the solution for that last matrix. Now, make sure you read your problem carefully, right? Because if this had been B times A instead of A times B, then the possibility of this even working might be different. Right? It would still work, because if this was a B times A, you would get a 3 by 2, or sorry, a 2 by 3 times a 3 by 2. We'd still have inner dimensions that are the same, so your result would be a 2 by 2. So that is still a possibility, but it would be a different set of numbers. So make sure that you are careful in writing what the total product is, that you have it in the right order.